Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Wrexham, sharing with you our latest arrival at the dealership in the form of this stunning looking Volkswagen Touareg. This particular example is the Touareg R-Line Tech 3-litre TDI V6 4Motion, finished here in deep black pearlescent paint. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 2-year warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side here, you'll also find these gorgeous looking Nevada diamond cut alloy wheels, which really complement the overall paint, and there's keyless entry and privacy glass available too. Inside the cabin, there's full black leather upholstery, with rear passengers enjoying their very own 2-zone climate control. As we move towards the rear, there's also full LED tail lights and power opening and closing tailgate. Once open, it will reveal an absolutely cavernous boot area, and this particular Touareg also comes fitted with the optionally upgraded power folding tow bar along with trailer assist. At a single push of a button, the trailer hitch will automatically fold out and can easily be retracted the same way. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Touareg. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Touareg R-Line Tech, there will be loads for you to enjoy. Soft touch materials and a beautifully crafted cabin will be on offer, and the driver control panels are easy to reach and logically laid out, featuring 3 memory functions for the seating, as well as a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shifts. The full active info display offers digital dash with crisp high-definition graphics. Offering various information such as fuel economy and range, there's also a road sign recognition camera, along with a number of active safety systems to keep you and your occupants safe. Best of all, full satellite navigation guidance can be displayed directly ahead of you, which is helpful when travelling on unfamiliar roads. Radio stations and Bluetooth telephony options are also available, but the real feature here is this massive 15-inch Innovision Cockpit, which absolutely stands out from the rest of the cars in this class. Featuring various shortcuts and a more conventional menu, all your music will be delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio, with additional media source inputs such as those displayed on the screen. Full AppleCarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces are on offer, with various car settings to allow you to personalize this Touareg to make it your own. Built-in sat-nav can of course be displayed on the center screen as well, and offers large graphics, whilst helping you park is a rear view camera with front and rear sensors, and also offers you additional guidance and even a wide-angle view. There's also a park assist, semi-autonomous parking system on offer when trying to squeeze into tight spaces. Also, 2-zone climate control system is available in the front of the cabin, easily operating here the heated seats, heated steering wheel and easy buttons for various seat arrangements as well. Hidden compartment will also house a wireless smartphone charger, and there are also large cup holders on offer as well, and various drive modes too to suit your terrain needs. As we move down the center console, a deep center armrest will feature additional USB connectors to keep your devices topped up, a handy glove box cabin. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Touareg R-Line Tech that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today, either by calling the number listed in the description, or better yet, just follow the link attached to take you to the car page directly. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.